Yeah. There's a vacuum, guys. Hi, guys. I got the vacuum ready to clean my room, okay? Hi, guys. We just wanted to say happy birthday, Jacob. How old are you, Jacob? You 17? Yeah, Jacob is only 17 today. I'll call him later on FaceTime his birthday. I'll make Jacob a birthday card. I will, guys. Today's Jacob's birthday, Addis and Sadie. Yeah. Hi, Addis. How are you? How's your day? Hi, Sadie. How are you? How's your day? Mine was good, guys. Okay? Everything's good, guys. This is for Sean. Okay? You want sister to say hi too? Carson, say hi. Hi, this is my sister Carson. She's in her room, guys. My sister's almost 16. Her birthday's next Wednesday, July 16. It is, yeah. This is for Sean that's making me ready to clean it. If I can clean my room today, it'll be good. This is my cousin's picture. Also, there's my basketball picture. There's my basketball picture. And there's me when I was a baby. Hi guys, I made to go clean my room with start vacuuming my room. Okay? It's just right there. There's my picture of me on my walls. Yep. I know that picture, okay? I just Jacob a message said happy birthday. He said thank you for Sean. Jacob did. I made it back. I'm so sorry. Hi guys, how are you? This is my room, guys. Welcome to the set. Hey guys, I bought this new shirt already. I did a red shorts. I'm in my room, guys. Cousins in her empty skin. Okay. Yeah, my picture's nice. There's your 6. So happy birthday, Jacob. You're welcome, Jacob. Yeah, I'll call you later on your birthday, make you a birthday card. Okay, Jacob? I will. I guys, I'll do. Yeah. Yeah. Want me to scream my room? Okay. Yeah, I got it from my nice that's my hair up. It does smell like government. It is. I got my nice jacket. Thank you. Thank you. That's when I am. I really fine. I got my one sticker on there. That was a sticker. Yeah, that's nice. Alright guys, peace.